Are you recording this whole time?
No, all this time.
Not obsessed. Intrigued. So, is he seeing anyone?
So that's what this is about. You want me to introduce you?
No. I was just...
Introduce who? No. Overby.
Kalinda.
Under what?
Kalinda Smith.
I'm agreeing. My firm threw this party. What do you do?
I'm gonna make them jump on their mom.
Crash other people's parties.
So if I gave you my card, what are the chances of using it?
Actually pretty good.
Still go, Mama Kitty. Mamas!
Using her.
Mama Kitty. Meow. Meow. She doesn't like it when you meow.
So I take it you have some information. Yeah. I looked deeper into Mr. Overby, and I don't think he's a good candidate for partnership. Based on my investigation, he appears to be non-exclusive.
Non-exclusive?
In pursuit of other options. Openly in pursuit.
Are you sure?
All of it. The firm can do better.
Well, thank you, Kalinda, for your discretion in this matter.
Always.
And Kalinda, let's talk tomorrow about renegotiating your contract.
I'd like that. This is it. Every pill in my medicine cabinet. And this is a prescription Jimmy got a month before the accident. It's for allergies. Do you think that could be it?
It could be. The drug test didn't screen for pseudoephedrine. Not in this dosage. Thanks, Linda.
What?
Knock that cat off. That was sleeping.
Hand him to me, the bit. Come here, baby.
Was it frightening?
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I don't
Give me the one that was sleeping.
That isn't?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So you're okay?
Yeah. Come here, baby. They always waking you up.
Still dead. What about you? You look sad.
No.
How did you got it on camera?
Just get some more.
How did you knock him off?
I'd have to do something.